Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your educational business. So if you're running an educational business, then manually responding to questions related to fee structure and courses can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI agent which will respond to all of these questions and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that we have created for our educational business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen to show you how it works in a real-time example. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and as soon as I send a hello, our AI assistant will be activated and will start responding to us. Here it says, "Hello, how can I assist you?" So here I am going to ask, what courses do you offer? And our assistant responds us with, we offer a variety of educational programs including mathematics, geography, history, computer programming, Python, Java, web development, soft skills and personality development. If you have any specific interest or need more details, just let me know. So here I am going to ask another question like this, in which I am asking, how can I enroll in a course? And our assistant responds us with, you can enroll in a course by visiting our website given over here. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp us directly with the name of your course you'd like to join. We will assist you with payment, schedule and login details. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. So I'm going to ask another question as, do you offer certifications? And our AI assistant responds us with, yes, upon successful completion of each course, students receive an official EduPro certificate. This certificate can be shared on LinkedIn or used for job applications. If you need more information about specific courses or certifications, let me know. So this is how our AI assistant for educational business works. To begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating our AI assistant. And for that, access the feature from here, click on it, and to add an AI assistant, click here. Here we have to provide name to our AI assistant. I have named it as Educational Business AI Assistant. And then it will redirect us to this page where first we have to select an instruction type. When we click on it, we get a lot of instruction types. You have to select one according to your needs. So here I'm going to select AI agent, and here it provides us roles as primary functions as well as constraints. Now let's move ahead with AI configuration, in which I'm going to set the temperature. It says 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So here I'm going to enhance the temperature or creativity level to 0.9. Then we have to select AI to use. Here I'm going to select OpenAI, and as model I'm going to choose ChatGPT 4.0 mini. Here we have to update API token, for which we have to visit OpenAI API keys page, and it will redirect you to API keys page. Here we get list of all the previously created API keys. To create a new one, click on create a new secret key. Here we have to provide test key name as Educational Business AI Assistant, and I'm going to keep project settings as default. Then I'm going to click on create secret key, and here it has provided a secret key which we are going to copy and paste it in our API token. I'm going to click on connect, and here it says OpenAI key saved successfully. So now we are going to move ahead with AI assistant settings, in which if you want to provide a header message, you simply have to enable this toggle, and here you can provide your header message. Similarly, you can provide a footer stop keywords which will stop AI from responding or retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled, and here's our default fallback message. You can customize it if you want. Now I'm going to move ahead with knowledge source. It is a very important aspect of our AI assistant because our AI assistant will only be responding according to the details provided in this knowledge source. However, make sure that your knowledge source size is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. So here I'm going to drop my knowledge source like this, and it will be updated here. Here it says file uploaded and processed successfully. So now I'm going to move ahead with assistant interface, and here we have to provide a header display heading name. So here I'm going to name it Educational Business, which will appear here. And here we get header display subheading name as we are online and happy to assist you, which will appear here. You can customize it if you want. And here we get the initial message which our AI assistant will initially respond with. You can add another initial message if you want, as hey, I'm here to assist you. To register this, you simply have to press enter, and your initial message will appear like this. Here I'm going to remove this one, and next up it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it displays powered by Pabbly. If you want to remove it, you simply have to select disable from the drop down, and it will stop displaying the powered by Pabbly label. Next up we have privacy policy, which you can customize as per your educational business. You just have to provide your educational business privacy policy link here. And here we get the first initial message. So once the user sends this message, our AI assistant will be activated. So here I'm going to rename it as hello. Now once the user will send us a hello, our agent will be activated. Next up, I'm going to move ahead with last feature of styling, through which we can modify our assistant's appearance. Here you can select the theme from light to dark, or you can change your assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can change assistant color background or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. You can even change the header profile picture which appears here, or the assistant profile picture which appears here, and even you can change the background. And once you are done with all the customizations, you have to enable this toggle which will make our AI assistant active and fully functional. Once you are done with all the customizations, you simply have to click on Save AI Assistant, and your AI assistant has been saved successfully. So this is how we create Educational Business AI Assistant. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.